today's video, you will learn how to make a portable inhaler to clear your nose. Do you suffer from a stuffy nose? Did you know that high temperatures dry the nasal mucosa? So it is interesting to always have an inhaler at hand, and even better if it is natural. After all, commercial nasal sprays don't always solve this issue. To make this inhaler, you will need one small plastic container with a lid. You can use a glass one, but be careful not to drop and break it. Cotton balls, essential oils, preferably mint, lemon, or eucalyptus, saline solution. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. How to make it? Start by sanitizing the container. Then, dampen the cotton balls in the saline solution. Be careful not to drench them. After that, mix your essential oils. Use 20 drops in total. Pour the essential oil mixture over the cotton balls. Using it is easy. Open the lid and inhale the contents 3 times. You can keep your portable inhaler in the fridge. That way, your inhaler will be well preserved whenever you need to use it. Usually, your stuffy nose will be relieved immediately. You can use this inhaler for 5 days on average. After that, the ingredients lose their capacity, and you need to make another one. Try it and share your experience with us. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.